Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In order to boost the regional connectivity in Arunachal Pradesh, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has signed a lease agreement with Alliance Air Aviation Limited for the supply of two civil Dornier 228 aircraft for regional operations in the state. The HAL's Dornier 228 is an aircraft that has the capability of short takeoff and landing, and it can land and take off from semi-prepared runways as well. And this is a vital requirement for northeast states. This lease agreement gives HAL the confidence to explore more in the civil market with their aircrafts. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited bought a production license in 1983 and manufactured these Dornier 228 aircrafts in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. In one of my earlier videos, we saw details about Hindustan 228 aircraft, which is a 19-seat multi-role utility aircraft built for various applications. The Hindustan 228 is built on the existing frame of the German Dornier 228 transport aircraft, which is being used by the Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guard, and Indian Navy. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited carried out a successful ground run and low-speed taxi trials of Hindustan 228, and the main intention to come up with this variant of Dornier 228 is to promote the UDAN scheme. Hindustan 228 will be able to perform multiple roles like VIP transport, passenger transport, air ambulance, flight inspection roles, cloud seeding, aerial surveillance, photography, remote sensing, and cargo transport. The lease agreement was signed by Apurba Roy, who is the General Manager of Transport Aircraft Division of HAL Kanpur, and this happened with Arun Kumar Bansal, who is the Head of Engineering of Alliance Air Aviation Limited. On the occasion, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister said it was a big day for the state. Given the geographical challenges in the vast state, the connectivity will now be much easier. So let's hope HAL explores more such opportunities within the civil aviation market and also with other states and countries. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.